Reducing emissions is a global emergency, and we all know it. You're taking a big leap on this awesome decarbonization journey, and that's something to be proud of. Your actions may feel insignificant sometimes, but each drop matters. So, let's spread the news, share our victories, and empower others to join us on this incredible mission to create a greener, cleaner world together with Zygo Activate by Schneider Electric. When you achieve your emissions reduction goal, you truly achieve it. Good news is meant to be shared, and this one is a biggie. So go ahead, shout it from the rooftops. We are reducing our emissions and our costs. Did you know that 76% of organizations said that disclosing sustainability results help them improve their competitive advantage? At Riverstone Partners, we are one of those organizations. We know that customers partner with suppliers who, all things equal, have a lower carbon footprint. So, by reducing our costs and our consumption, we gain a competitive advantage and increase our resilience. For instance, in case of energy price increase, what about you? If you don't communicate, nobody knows you, right? Communicating your sustainability achievements will put you in the front line of transparency, side by side with the big ones, right where you want to be. Your communication efforts will help you demonstrate that you're ahead of the decarbonization journey. You're showing that you have a plan to optimize your resources, which makes you more competitive. How? Well, it makes you eligible for preferential financial rates offered by big companies and government funding programs. Check them out and take advantage. In terms of compliance, you're basically saying, hey, we are aware of the rules and we respect them. And when you tell your clients that your carbon emissions are lower than your competitors, who do you think they'll prefer to work with? Finally, you know how it goes. Investors are all about finding companies that can adapt and thrive in the long run. So, how can you grab their attention and secure their funds? Well, reducing emissions will definitely give you some extra brownie points. All right, where do you start? Get some inspiration from the communication activities happening here at Riverstone Partners. We regularly send newsletters to our investors and clients, keeping them in the loop about our short-term plan and progress. We even attach reports directly taken from Zygo Activate. During casual conversations, we take the opportunity to discuss these results with them and show our interest in their own decarbonization journey. In all these communications, we make sure to include screenshots of the Zygo Activate emissions tracking. We even post updates on our social media whenever we want to celebrate a small achievement. It keeps us motivated and moving forward. We've also included references to our emissions reduction plan in our email footers, invoices, presentation, and other corporate documents. At trade shows and conferences, we proudly share our plans and accomplishments. So basically, you can't shut us up. We seize every opportunity to proudly share how thrilled we are to have embarked on this journey. You can do it too. Transparency, accountability, and credibility. This is what you get when you communicate your emissions reduction achievements. So you know what? Feel proud of becoming more sustainable. Spread the message and reap the benefits.